Wait. You go. Go, it's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this, guys. Look. What is here?
Because I think she's getting that diamond in this. Yep, she is getting.
Huwag mo na drawing. Ayoko. Daddy will get
On this. Bro, you're making the beats falling down.
After it's my turn to shop it.
Oh, this one.
Okay, done?
I think.
This is a rainbow. Can you hold the phone?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay. Because I'm gonna type this. Now I know to type.
Also want this.
This is not for sale. Oh my god, guys, a boy is crying. A homeless guy is crying. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Y'all.
What's this? I want this sweater.
Oh my god, no. Ate, Tesla.
I'm gonna buy this.
Okay.
That I'm done, guys. Look what I got to my basket. Next person.
You want this?
Sure.
It's in a case.
Try to put my stuffs.
In here.
Where?
Here. Okay, wait. You have to play. Guys, this girl have to play. My bad. My bad. Guys. Oh my god. I did it again. I'm gonna put it in this case. It's too close. I'll let out. Guys. She don't need this anymore. So. Yeah, she's holding that and that. This I'll just fold it like that. Bruh. What do you mean, bruh?
I got my mini brand, guys.
Guys, I'm just gonna get a case from that.
Bro, case. Okay, I have. Bro, where's my second diamond?
Guys, I cannot find it, so I just found a plastic.
Where's the diamond? My diamond. Bro, the second one, the green.
What?
The green diamond.
What do you mean green dot? This?
No, the big one.
This?
I said the green
This?
diamond. Bro.
This?
Maybe you're sticking on it. No. Yeah. Where's it?
What is it? Is it a moon? What shape?
No, a diamond that's green. The big one. The one the size like this. Yes.
Oh, it's purple, right?
No, it's green. There's one more one. It's green.
It's diamond.
Yeah, diamond.
Oh, let me fall down here. Did you put in your card? Bruh, serious? This? This is not green, this is purple.
Oh. My bad.
Because I'm gonna put all the charms in here.
You bad.
It's okay, guys.
My bad.
So easy to get, guys. So I don't care.
Okay, the homeless people has found food already.
You want this?
Yeah.
Wait, can I have this? Because me and Cassie are matching.
Manchi?
Matching. We both have like this. Can I?
Okay.
Dumating siya, sabi niya, please allow the
Now I'm gonna open this, guys.
No, she's gonna open it later.
Ayan.
After the vlog.
I'll be there in 10 minutes, secure the CCTV.
Okay.
Agad
This
kong
is
sinabi,
Let's see what you
as
buy.
soon as nakaakyat na po,
I'm gonna put this in the
si
plastic.
Sergeant Arms Mao, sabi ko, secure the CCTV room, huwag niyong gagalawin.
And her top
At
is
yung mga
squishy.
police, make sure you have 2 copies, isa sa kanila, isa sa amin, para hindi po matamper. Yun din po pinag-uusapan ng ibang senador sa loob ng room. So, nung sinabi po,
And this
ni
hat, I'm gonna get
Senator
a.
na
She's
itago,
just.
ang ibig niya
I'll
sabihin,
just give
make
her a
sure
box,
walang
Bro, why you
guys.
put the diamond there?
At sinagot siya nun, kung tinuloy
Just
yung
wait.
video na yun, may sumagot
Guys, wait.
na nakasecure na po.
Let me organize it.
Secretary Remulla came, the first thing he did was kamustahin kung okay kami, kung secured yung mga senador. Then tinanong yung CCTV and then nagpaalam kung pwede
I got her box.
Technically, I could have said it was under Senate jurisdiction. But he gave me his word and he followed his word. That this will be a investigation that is
Put it out for me.
independent. So dalawa po, joint investigation to. Lahat po ng
You get this,
CCTV
right? You
ay
buy
nagbigay.
this.
Pangalawa po,
I have to buy
crime
this.
scene, hindi po namin
Yeah.
ginagawa.
Oh.
In fact, sa GSIS, hindi kami makapasok. Pulis lang.
Is this
Kaya
fake?
bago umuwi si
diamond?
Secretary
Yeah.
Remulla at si Chief PNP Mercates,
White
hindi
hat
po
trail.
nakapasok din po. Kasi nung una, inilalabas ang narrative ng iba na
Here.
wala daw putok from the other side. Nung una, isa pa lang ang nakitang putok o bala na tumagos.
Let's see what
galing
you
sa
buy.
kabilang side. Pero nung pinayagan kami sa loob,
Guys, you have
at
to wait
pagkatapos
now.
po na
Because I have to organize
ng
this.
PNP, nakita po na may at least 5.
This and I go
So what
before
am I
my
saying
okay?
here? This is the result of
You did not buy this game?
investigation so far.
You don't want it?
The president, and I thank him
How about this
for
stuff is
calling,
squishy?
checking how we are, and assuring us that he
You
told
want it?
everyone to stand down. The military, the PNP,
You chose
the
this,
NBI.
remember?
But I told him, sir,
Mhm.
the NBI
You don't
has
want
been
it
lying
anymore?
to us. Sabi niya, hindi, susunod sa kanya yung NBI. Sabi ko, sir, with all due respect, nandito naman si Sec Jantic, siya na mag-report sa'yo. So, doon sa mga nagsasabing this is stage or whatever, di ba, we allow every single transparency measure, we allow the investigation. In fact, pagkakat namin ng fifth floor, kahit wala sa usapan,
Okay, guys. Bye.